My sister had this amazing mouth-watering keyboard. What? Oh, you just hold it down, you don't. And it just felt so good, so I had to get it. She actually got this from the TikTok shop, and I never really buy from there. So the fact that I did speaks volumes about how much I like this keyboard. It's nice and small. Typically, I like having a number pad here, but for travel purposes, I think this is the perfect size. Ah! Dude, look at that. Oh my God. I could do this all day. I have the blue version of this Pachaco keyboard. This is what it sounds like. I love that also, but this is a different feel, different sound.
On video, the keyboard sounds a little louder than it actually is. There are 3 ways to connect this to your computer or iPad. I just love that the USB is like a little magnet there. I don't know all the light functions yet, but I know that you can check the battery life of the keyboard by pressing a button. I really love that there's a dial that controls the volume. And here's a typing test so you can hear a little bit more how it sounds.